Becky, you asked to find the angle theta with theta between 0 and 360 degrees that has the same sine function as the angle 230 degrees. Well, let's remember 230 degrees. Remember, we always start measuring our angles from the first quadrant in the x-axis. So if we go around here, we're at 180. We need to go an additional 50 degrees to get to 230. So let's draw our little triangle here. And there's my additional 50 degrees here. Let me just rewrite that for you. Let me get it a little neater. There's my additional 50 degrees. And the sine, let's remember our SOHCAHTOA. So we're going to need the cosine too. So let me put that here, SOHCAH. So the sine is going to be the opposite over the hypotenuse. So you can see in our case for 230 degrees, the opposite, that's a negative y value. So where else can I go to get y to be negative? And that would be my fourth quadrant over here. So instead of going 180 plus 50, I could go, if you like, 360. Let me switch colors and I'll show you. So 360 minus 50, which would take us to here. So if this is 50 degrees here, okay, and again, opposite, notice it's negative, just like it was at 230. So what is this angle? It is 360 degrees minus 50. So the answer here would be 360 minus 50 degrees, because you're 50 degrees shy of completing a complete rotation. So 310 degrees. Now the next one is the cosine value at 230 degrees. Well, let me just, we looked over here, the cosine is CA, so adjacent over hypotenuse. So let me switch colors here. We can go to green. So the cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Well, at 230 degrees, we already figured out that is right here. So adjacent will be here, this side here, adjacent. So this is your x coordinate, and it's a negative. And the other place where the cosine is negative would be in your second quadrant. So the triangle that would look the same as that, I'm just going to erase some of to make a little more room here. That would be, we would put our triangle, we would make our triangle here, and this angle here would be 50 degrees. Let me mark it the 50 for you. So what angle is that? That angle would be, let me not use blue again, we'll use pink. This angle here would be 180 minus 50, which is 130 degrees. So answer here, the cosine of 130 degrees would be the same as the cosine of 230 degrees. Hope that helps you.